Hello, my name is Vegard, and together with Mohammed we will talk about stage 3 of the ABC player. I will talk a little about the updated block diagram for this stage and show what changes had to be done with the components. Later, Mohammed will talk about the ASMD chart for this new block diagram we have created for stage 3. Our fellow group members Salahuddin and Blair will upload 2 more videos on this topic. One where they will show the new code we have made together with the test bench for this code. They will also add a video where they show the stage 3 results using an FPGA. After you watch this video, you will be able to list the main blocks needed to implement stage 3 of the ABC player. You will also be able to explain the operation of the ASMD chart for stage 3, record tunes and send them to the computer. So first of all, what does stage 3 include? Well, in this stage we want to make the ABC player play tunes and record from the keyboard. We also want the tunes that were recorded sent to the computer. So basically we use the same implementation as in stage 1 when it comes to playing the tunes. But when we flip the record switch on, we want the tunes played to be saved into RAM until we stop recording. When we have stopped recording, we will see the recorded tunes in the computer screen. We can also use the RAM that we have made in stage 2 of this ABC player. So just by implementing parts of stage 1 and stage 2, we can see that we have come a long way already. Here we can see our block diagram for stage 3. We still need a UART receiver to receive information from the computer. The RAM is the same from stage 2 with a new output only. We also have this save code converter to convert the ASCII code, mod M counter and the toggle flip-flop. When we set up this block diagram, we have to keep in mind what stage 3 required. We were to send data from the FPGA to the computer. That's why we need the UART transmitter. These components have a clock and a reset function. It also has an input from the baud rate generator, as you can see here. This is to make sure the communication between the FPGA and the computer will be at the same speed as the receiver in order to communicate. The RAM sends its data to the UART transmitter when the record is on. Then it goes into the DIN input on the UART transmitter. When the record isn't on, we can see that the data from the UART receiver will not go through the RAM because it isn't going to be saved. As we can see, it just skips the RAM and go into the code converter. The FSM will send a 1 from the start TX when the UART transmitter can start to send the data. Then, when the UART transmitter is finished with sending data, the 2TX done tick will send a 1 down to the FSM when all data has been sent. In this stage we also included a record button that we could press whenever we wanted to start recording. As we can see here in the FSM, all the data will be sent from 2TX and to the computer. All the other components we have explained in stage 1 and stage 2, so if you wonder how they work in the system, take a look at our previous videos about the ABC player.